Hey, what up guys? Today I'm wearing my hat again to block the lights from my eyes because it's kind of blinding, because again my technical crew don't know how to set up properly. So welcome back to Display Wall. Today we're gonna have a pack battle again, and we got a nice big pack battle that we pre-arranged the cards so we can just grab one out of the box. So let's get into this. Alrighty guys, since I've got all the packs over here on my side, I'll grab two at a time and then I'll let the wife pick one. And then you can go first today.
I didn't ask, I was just doing.
I can always just take the pack away from you.
Yeah, that's cool. The Alakazam. I was asking.
You were asking?
I said, is that an Alakazam?
Well, then you need to show me the picture first.
Oh, well. It's an Alakazam, right? Yeah.
Looks like it.
Okay. We've never opened Fates Collide packs before, so I get to be the first one to open it. Just zoom in slightly. Binnacle. Snubble. Snivy. I like that one. Solasis.
A head in a bubble.
Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Gothita. A carving break. That's a good way to start off this video.
A what break?
Carving? I don't know.
Never heard of it.
Me either. A Zygarde. For the rare, right? Yeah. Damn.
Is this like your first time doing this?
Haluka.
Focus!
Chaos Tower. Man, Altarius Spirit Link. And the code card.
I think your head went hollow.
I'm gonna sleeve that one up.
Okay, my turn. Here we go. Fates Collide, Lugia pack. Here we go. We got a
Minchino. Bronzer.
Snubble. I don't think he was sleeping under there. I think he passed out.
He probably heard fireworks. Burmy. Cottony. Volibee.
Reverse hollow
Superior.
for the rare.
Audino Spirit Link. Pokemon Fan Club. Wormadam. Wormadam.
Yes. And there we go.
I think I won that.
Maybe, probably. We'll see.
I think I won the Fates Collide packs for sure. With my break. What's next?
You see, what you don't realize, none of these packs are actually yours. They're all mine.
No, you know what? I do this because I allow you to do Pokemon cards because I like them.
You don't allow me to do anything. And just because you want to be a bud, you get to get the scissor and not the Gyarados.
That's fine. Ooh, I like that pack artwork. Oh.
Struggling over there?
No, and the reason why I'm having a hard time pulling is because like I'm the one leaning over because you're hogging all the space. Rattata! Slowpoke Being Chased by Decals. I like that one a lot. Furfrou. C-Dot. A really nice Psyduck. A reverse hollow Spritzy. A rare Shiftry. A special energy, Splash Energy. That's a nice card too. Mawile. I love Mawile. Fighting Fury Belt. And the code card.
Okay, here for another break point. And I don't know if you guys heard the phone vibrate. Told her 1,000 times to put it on silent.
I thought I put it on silent. I didn't. That was a whoopsies.
Then maybe you should do less thinking and more doing.
It's only the joint chiropractic wanting me to come for an expensive visit that you'll have to pay for.
There we go.
Blitzel. See, you can't do it either today.
Just,
Pancham.
just continue.
Unedged. Shinx. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I want that card. That's my card.
He's doing the cutie eyes.
I know. He's probably doing the wiggle butt. That's what it looks like.
Uh-huh.
Another Spritzy. A reverse hollow bay leaf. A Seismitoad.
For the rare.
A Durant.
Yes.
A bursting balloon. A puzzle of time trainer.
And a code card.
Can we do it?
Well, the wife ran away to go and get a drink. So,
Hey, don't talk about me.
the sun and moons, I'll do the first pack. Here we go. Well, sun and moon. We opened a lot of sun and moon before. So hopefully we'll get some different stuff. Here we go.
Rowlet. Young Goose.
Torkoal.
Lynn. Stuffle. Reverse hollow wishy washy, which that's cute. Crabominable.
Like I said, it sounds like a laundromat. Energy.
Timer ball. Brianni.
Poliwhirl. And code card.
Alright. Let's see if I can beat that wishy-washy. Oh, I think I already did. Right there. That beats it right there. Togedemaru. Chinchu. Makuhita. Caterpie. Paris. Reverse hollow Chinchu. Ooh! A hollow Gigaliath. That's nice. Energy.
Putting it in the wrong spot again.
Whatever. I have to sleeve them up anyways. Poliwhirl. Dragonair. Golbat. And the code card.
Alright.
That was the first hollow rare.
Yes.
I'm winning.
Next up, we're doing.
Guardians Rising.
Okay. Well, I'll take the middle two. You can have those two.
I wanted the Lycanroc.
No, that's mine. And I'll go first again. Oh, we got. What? What is it called again?
Tapu Koko?
Tapu Koko. There it is. I almost butchered this name.
You butcher every name.
Yeah, even yours.
Shit.
That's because I wanna.
Oh, my card.
Alolan Sandslash.
Sandshrew.
Sandshrew, my bad.
Murkrow.
Murkrow.
Helioptile.
Manchop. Slowpoke. Reverse Hollow.
Barbuck.
And some ice cream
Vanillux.
for the rare. Energy.
Sligoo.
Beware.
Alomola.
And code card.
Because you keep going out of frame, I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Okay, my turn. Getting out of the sleeve off camera, make my life a little bit easier.
Not that easy.
Yeah, because I knew I'd struggle. There's Vanillite. Aww. There's Vanillite. Gligar. Litwick. Clefairy. Wait. Tentacool. Reverse Hollow Absol.
Wrong spot.
Oh my goodness.
Do it right. Don't do it at all. Okay, continue.
Sharpedo for the rare. Energy. Machoke. Glalie. Watchhog. And a code card.
Alright. Let's open this one. Let's go. This is the pack. I can feel it. This is the one.
So it'll put you ahead of me?
Oh, honey, I'm always ahead of you.
Yeah, maybe in age. Because you're old.
See? I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna get 3 out of 3. I'm gonna put. I open them in the. What do you call that? Cardboard box sleeve. Gonna get them on the pack, and I'm gonna get them inside the pack.
Sure.
Don't you sure me? We got a Murkrow.
You're out of frame. There you go.
Reverse. We'll reverse it. Murkrow.
Snowrunt. Patrat. Gligar. Bellsprout.
Yep.
Reverse Hollow Rescue Stretcher.
That's what you're gonna need. We got it.
Heliolisk.
Poopy. Energy.
Lampent. Clefable.
That was my turn.
Oh, you went to say Clefairy.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
No,
did.
I didn't. No, I didn't.
I'll leave a cat.
Clefable.
Is trying to walk on the Pokemon cards. Marini.
And card. That's Princess Pecan. She does what she wants.
Uh-huh. Oh. Ninetales pack art before I forget to.
You're just gonna throw it all across the room before you open it.
Yes. Alright, we have a Bellsprout. Pancham. Snowrunt. Chansey. Machop.
That's what I'm gonna do to you.
Reverse Hollow Murkrow. Pangoro.
Wrong spot.
You're annoying. Energy.
Didn't do it right.
Aqua Pouch. Weeping Bell. Bludgender. And a code card.
You can have those two.
Why are you picking my
I'll
packs for
take
me?
these two. Because I wanna.
You go first.
I go first?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll start with the Lampress.
Lapras. Jeez.
It's what I say it is.
No, it's what the Pokemon company says it is.
No, it's what I say it is. We got a Galarian Ponyta.
Sobble. Maracactus. Mudbray with Pokeball. He's playing with the Pokeball.